Welcome to Vanindin Academy, and a big thank you to all my new viewers and to those returning to the channel. Your support truly means a lot. You went solar for all the right reasons, for lower power bills, energy freedom, and the peace of mind that comes with making your own clean power. But what if the biggest threat to your home isn't a storm or a blackout, but a hidden danger on your own roof? A danger that could turn that dream into a nightmare. Now, it's not the solar panel itself. The real risk is a tiny, nearly invisible, and completely preventable mistake that some installers make. A mistake that can create an electrical arc, a spark, and a fire you won't see until it's too late. The truth is, solar panel fires are extremely rare, less than 0.02% of installations in many countries. But when they do happen, the leading cause is almost always poor installation. This isn't about scaring you. It's about making you a smarter, more empowered solar owner. I've seen the difference between systems built to last and those that are ticking time bombs. So let's talk about the critical mistakes that cause fire risks and the steps you can take to protect your home. The first big issue is improper wire management. Under your solar array runs a network of high-voltage DC cables. In a quality installation, these wires are clipped securely with stainless steel fasteners and never touch the roof. But a sloppy job leaves wires lying on shingles, where they expand and contract in the sun, rubbing against the roof's surface. Over time, that friction wears away the insulation. Once the copper inside touches metal or another wire, you get an arc fault, a spark like a miniature bolt of lightning that can ignite roofing materials. The second issue is mismatched or cheap connectors. Every solar panel plugs into the next one using connectors, and the best-known brand is MC4, made by Staubli. But MC4 is a brand name, not a universal standard. Many companies make MC4-style connectors, but mixing brands is dangerous. A mismatched connection leaves tiny gaps, lets in dust and moisture, and creates resistance. Resistance generates heat, and heat can melt the plastic and trigger an arc fault. The electrical code is clear. You cannot mix different connector brands unless they're specifically approved for it. The third cause is critter damage. The shaded space under your panels is an inviting home for squirrels, pigeons, and other animals. Rodents love to chew, and your solar wiring is a perfect target. I've seen wires chewed all the way to bare copper. Combine that with a nest of dry leaves and twigs, and you have the perfect recipe for a fire. Critter guards are a simple, cost-effective way to prevent this, but many installers sell them as an optional add-on instead of making them standard. So how do you protect your home? Here's a 3-step plan every solar owner should follow. First, before installation, vet your installer relentlessly. Look for certification from the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners, or NABCEP. This certification requires real training, proven experience, and a tough exam. Always ask, is the lead installer on my roof NABCEP certified? A vague answer is a red flag. Second, during installation, be an educated observer. Ask if all connectors are the same brand, check wire management through photos, and confirm your system includes modern safety features like arc fault circuit interrupters and rapid shutdown for firefighter safety. Trust but verify, your home is at stake. Third, after installation, don't set and forget. Schedule professional inspections every year or two to catch small problems early. Monitor your system's app for sudden drops in production. And if you live in an area with squirrels or birds, invest in a critter guard. Your decision to go solar was a smart one. It's an investment in both the environment and your family's energy security. But it's the quality of the installation and maintenance that keeps your system safe. By avoiding sloppy wiring, mismatched connectors, and critter damage, and by staying proactive, you can ensure your solar system brings peace of mind for decades to come. Thank you again to all my new and returning viewers for being here. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vanindin Academy for more straight talk on solar, and check out our next video, the 5-point solar maintenance check every homeowner can do to keep your system running at peak performance. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.